Alright, so today's the day. The 2J is coming out of the SC300. This is a sad day, but the 2J is going to live on and the SC is going to live on with somebody else. So I'm going to pull this thing up into the driveway and start disconnecting the drive shaft and the transmission and the engine mounts, and then it's coming out. So that's our final resting spot. It's the last time the 2J will run until it's in the Cressida or in something else, but probably in the Cressida. So, guess it's time to get to it. the 2J's out and the auto trans is off and all the cars are back in the driveway. This should be. The SC's over here, the transmission's over here. But gotta pull a few more things out of this thing and then get it out of here. It's funny how much higher it sits now that the engine's out. But yeah, so here's what we're working with right now. There's not much left in there. Just gotta grab out the, you know, anything that makes the engine run pretty much. But yeah, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, throw a comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next one.